Hello viewers, in today's class we are going to learn how to find the value of this expression, right? So here we have 2 times of cos inverse minus half plus 3 cos inverse minus root 3 over 2 plus 4 times cos inverse of minus 1, right? So here we have to calculate the value of this expression containing inverse trigonometric functions, right? So let us start. So here the first thing we observe is that this expression contains only a cos inverse function, right? And the second thing is that the principal branch of cos inverse x is from 0 to pi, right? And this is the closed interval. Okay, so the first thing is this expression contains only the cos inverse function, and the second thing is the principal branch of cos inverse x is closed interval 0 to pi, right? Okay, now in order to evaluate this function or this expression, will make use of one important result, which says that cos inverse of minus x is equal to pi minus cos inverse of x, right? So we'll use this result to evaluate this expression, right? So cos inverse of minus x is equal to pi minus cos inverse of x. So the first expression, or the first term, is 2 times of cos inverse minus half. So we can write it as 2 times of pi minus cos inverse of half, right? Because the value of x is half here, right? Okay, similarly the second term, which is 3 times cos inverse of minus root 3 over 2, can be written as 3 times pi minus cos inverse of root 3 over 2, right? And the third term is 4 times cos inverse of minus 1, that is 4 times of pi minus cos inverse of 1, right? Okay, so viewers, now here we have to write the values of these expressions: cos inverse half, cos inverse root 3 over 2, and cos inverse 1, right? Now we know that cos of pi by 3, that is cos 60, is equal to half, right? Similarly, we know that cos of pi by 6, that is cos 30 degrees, is equal to root 3 over 2, right? And cos of 0 is equal to 1, right? So from these we can write cos inverse of half is equal to pi over 3, cos inverse of root 3 over 2 is equal to pi over 6, and cos inverse of 1 is equal to 0, right? So now we can substitute these values over here. So we have 2 times, this is pi minus cos inverse of half is pi over 3. Here we have 3 times pi minus cos inverse of root 3 over 2 is pi over 6. And here we have 4 times pi minus 0, because cos inverse of 1 is equal to 0, right? Now we can further simplify it. So we have 2 times, this is 3 pi minus pi, that is 2 pi over 3, that is 4 pi over 3, right? Similarly, here we have 3 times 6 pi minus pi is 5 pi over 6, that is 5 pi over 2, right? 3 2s are 6, so we have 5 pi over 2, and here we have 4 pi, right? So viewers, now the value of this expression is equal to the sum of these three terms. So we have 4 pi over 3 plus 5 pi over 2 plus 4 pi, right? So we have the sum of these three terms, right? Now this is easy. It is easy to find the sum of these three terms, so we can take 6 as LCM. So here we have 3 2s are 2 4s are 8 pi. So here we have 8 pi, then we have 2 times 3, and 3 5s are 15, and then we have here 24 pi, right? Okay, so the sum of these three numbers is 47 pi and divided by 6, right? So the value of this expression is 47 pi over 6.